Hi guys, come with me and tour this stunning 5-bedroom, 4-bath, new construction spanning 3 incredible floors. It's anything but ordinary, so settle in. The moment you walk through the door, you are greeted by this beautiful entryway that sets the stage for a perfect blend of modern character and comfort. Just to your left, you'll find a room that's currently designed as a study. But if you're more into formal entertaining, the space could be used as a chic dining room to host some of your most memorable dinners. Now, let's answer the call of all of this natural sunlight flooding into the heart of the home and take a walk through this wide open living space. Off to the left, you'll notice a casual dining area complete with a built-in unit waiting to be transformed into an epic buffet for your next gathering. But let's get into this kitchen and talk about this gorgeous oversized waterfall island. It's not just a functional centerpiece, but also a stunning focal point that really anchors the space. I love that the kitchen isn't just conveniently set up with everything within easy reach, but it's also designed to flow seamlessly into the living room or the living area, maintaining that open concept feel while still blending perfectly with the overall decor. And just when you think you've seen it all, a quick glance around the corner reveals a cleverly tucked away mudroom, prep area, and pantry. So this layout is thoughtfully designed to keep everything organized and within easy reach, all while keeping the chaos out of sight and the kitchen looking pristine. And let's not forget that this main level also tucks away a private bedroom suite, complete with its own full bath. That wraps up the main level. Let's head upstairs. So as you reach the top floor, there is an incredible space. Call it a loft, a sitting area, great room, call it whatever you'd like. It's the flex space that keeps on giving and will adapt to whatever suits your lifestyle. To the right of the stairs, you'll find 2 generously sized secondary bedrooms. They share a beautifully designed full bath that features dual access, one door from the hallway for guests, and a second private entry from one of the bedrooms, offering added privacy and ease. Now, if you're someone who appreciates a well-designed laundry room, be prepared to be impressed. This utility room is not just functional, but it's spacious. It's perfectly situated near the bedrooms for ultimate convenience. It's equipped with ample counter space for folding and sorting. I don't know that it's going to make laundry day more enjoyable, but it's definitely going to make it easier. And finally, we arrive at the crown jewel of the second floor, always my favorite part of these tours, the owner's retreat. Thanks to the huge windows that invite the outdoors in, you can imagine waking up every morning to that warm light filling the room. And with all this cozy space, you have endless possibilities to create your own personal sanctuary. Stepping into the owner's bath, prepare to indulge in a spa-like super shower, multiple shower heads, premium finishes, and stunning tile work that elevate the entire space. And don't get me started on the walk-in closet. It's practically a room in itself, offering more than enough space for any fashion lover's collection. All right, so we've seen the main level. We have explored the second floor. Let's talk about the basement. In this incredible Wynstone model, you have the option to build without the extra third floor space. But in this specific model home, it takes it to the next level, fully finishing that added space, and it is absolutely amazing. An entire extra living space complete with a very large bedroom suite, its own full bath, and a wide open floor plan that connects the living, kitchen, and dining areas. So this setup is perfect as is, but the possibilities here are endless, whether you're thinking about renting it out, creating a luxurious in-law suite, or adding a home theater. It's a blank canvas ready for your personal touch. It also has direct access to the backyard where you can create a charming outdoor sitting area. And there you have it. David Weekley Homes, the Wynstone floor plan, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 baths, and 3-car garage starts at the base price of $798,000. This particular model on this lot with the full finished basement and builder upgrades is currently $1.1 million. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Reach out for a private tour. For now, take care. Talk to you later.